In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 600 plus trait rerolls in Anime Vanguards. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present various different ways in which you will be able to acquire trait rerolls. Now, of course, I want to make it very clear that if you want to acquire all of them, like 600 plus every week, or every so often, you will need to know life the game. Sadly, there's no way around this. Getting a lot of them will take a bunch of time, so keep that in mind. As you can see, this is the list that I want to showcase. So you have various different ways to get them. You have boss rush, tourneys, weekly quests, infinite quests, boss bounties, and then challenges. Half hourly with ×2, daily, weekly, and then a total here depending on your position on the tourneys. So of course, these are going to be all over the place in the game. So all that you have to do is visit the respective categories. So for example, boss event, look through the rewards and you should be able to find trait rerolls. Look through tournaments. You will have different amounts of trait rerolls available per placement. So if you are in top 1, for example, you will get 35 of the trait rerolls with different amounts. So 20, 10. If you do challenges, you can also find them here. So as an example, you have the weekly challenge, and they will also give you some. You should browse through daily challenges, regular challenges, and always make sure that you are cycling between all of these pieces of content. Like I said before, because it is a lot of things to go over, I cannot cover all of them in this video, and there's no guarantee that you will be able to do all of them. You should choose whatever you believe you can complete with ease because it is going to be most effective, and then if you have time, optionally do the rest later on in the day or the week. You can pause the video here if you would like to note these down. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 600 plus trait rerolls in Anime Vanguards. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.